stop eating nonsense. So Nikal. Okay, we start with circulatory system, new chapter. Okay, but this chapter has a lot of weightage. There is no as such क्या बोलते हैं weightage given to you all. But इतना याद रखो that one question sure is going to come on this board exam में चाहे prelim में चाहे और अभी तो आएगा ही आएगा. ये starting to work. So jump and go here or you want to sit here and here. Okay. Like any other system that you have studied, circulatory system is also one system. It is a system. That means it will have organs. Which are the organs of circulatory system? We have heart, blood and blood vessels. ऐसा मत बोलना कि blood organ कैसा हुआ? Blood tissue है. तो component हो गया. So blood, heart and blood vessels. You know and I know that blood vessels are arteries, veins are capillaries. I am so confident that you know because you have studied this 10th standard. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा background है इस chapter में. Okay? Alright. We begin with circulatory system और first page में तुमको दिया है that it is like a transport system or it works as a transport system. So if I say it works as a transport system, that means it is transporting something or it is conducting something. तो सवाल आता है what is the need of this transport system? So you have to understand if at all this is a transport system that sorry my footwear.
हाँ वो इस साइड
like that small बच्चा होता है eats. Okay, I'm sorry, I get it off. Transport system में we have what things to be transported. So we have nutrients first, second मैंने gases लिखे oxygen and carbon dioxide. Third we have excretory product. Fourth is hormone and I've written body heat. Let's discuss one on one. Okay. Nutrients. तुम जो भी खाना खाते हो वो खाना जाएगा stomach में. Stomach से intestine and you all have learned intestine में there is villi. These villi absorb nutrients. It's not the food. It is the nutrients. Carbohydrate, amino acid, protein. Right? All these nutrients will be supplied to blood. Do you remember villi में capillaries था? So nutrients all goes into capillaries and blood will transport it to all the cells and tissues wherever it is necessary. Done. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. The moment you breathe in air, the oxygen diffuses inside your cell. Carbon dioxide has to diffuse out. This can only be done if circulatory system is there in your body. Next, you have excretory product. Your excretory product is really different from what you think. Maybe excretory product का मतलब होता है nitrogenous waste. माने यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड और अमोनिया. यूरिया, uric acid, ammonia. Okay. So, you now sit there only. Don't jump here. Urea, uric acid, ammonia. This is given out by cells and tissues. तुम सोचो, हर एक cells में से, tissues में से, excretory product को जमा करना और उसको excretory organ में देना. Excretory organ is your kidney. Who can do this? Blood. So blood collects it. Pours the junk into the junk blood into the kidney. उसमें से सारा junk जो है excretory product will be excreted out and the blood goes again into circulation. Lastly, we have hormone. You are studying in 8th standard about endocrine glands. And you at least remember that one. Endocrine glands pour their secretion into blood, and blood takes it to wherever it is needed. ये हो गया 4 easy things. But the last one that you have is repeated again somewhere. Is body heat. Your body heat is 37 degrees Celsius. No matter what is the temperature outside. So outside अभी 20 degrees होगा तो भी तुम्हारा body temperature 37 होना चाहिए. बाहर 40 degrees हो जाएगा तो भी तुम्हारा temperature होना चाहिए 37. This is in extremes also. 10 degree भी होगा, 4 degree भी होगा बाहर. तुम्हारा body will fight the odds and maintain the temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. How is that possible? It is due to the continuous flow of blood. Blood keeps on flowing and distributing heat uniformly in the body. So there is no chance कि ये 10 degrees है, ये 37 degree है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Uniformly. I'll give you a little explanation about it. Don't write it in your exam center. Do you know after a person dies or a diseased person, if I talk about, the body becomes really cold and
circulation.
It is because circulation stop. Circulation stop, the temperature will drop. सर्कुलेशन स्टॉप्स, टेम्परेचर हो गया. ये था फंक्शन ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. एज इन व्हाई डू आई कॉल सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एज अ ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम इन द बॉडी. इजी रीड आउट इन दिस वेरी क्विक टॉपिक. मैं थोड़ा सा फास्ट चलेंगे. ओके ये वापस हम करेंगे उधर ट्रांसफ्लो. अच्छा उसके बाद तुमको दिया है दैट योर बॉडी हैज टू टाइप ऑफ फ्लूइड्स. वन ग्रुप ऑफ फ्लूइड इज कॉल्ड एज सर्कुलेटिंग. As the name suggests, it is continuously circulating. The other one we call it as non-circulating fluid. That means they are stationary. They are only at one place. They stay in one place. There are three circulating fluids in your body: blood, lymph, tissue fluid. Blood तुम सबको पता है is the principal red colored fluid that's flowing in the body. Okay? Blood जैसा ही और एक fluid है, but not red in color. It is pale yellow in color. That's called as lymph. तो लिम्फ कहाँ फ्लो होगा? लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम. वेरी गुड. पैरेलल जाता है दोनों.
फिर वहाँ से वेव भी कलेक्ट होता है.
हाँ और होगा उसका वेव. बट दोनों मैंने पैरेलल इसीलिए बोला, आगे कनेक्शन है उसका. बट जस्ट इमेजिन देयर आर टू सिस्टम्स ना. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज फॉर ब्लड, लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम इज फॉर लिम्फ. एंड व्हेन द लिम्फ or the plasma from the blood leaks out and occupies the space between cells 1 2 3 4 ये cells है. सोचो इसके बीच में तुमको गैप दिख रहा है. if this is filled with that lymph then it's called as tissue fluid because it is bathing up the cells. It is occupying the spaces. It's nutritive, hence it is there. तो tissue fluid और lymph में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. It's about the location. However they are into motion, इसीलिए circulating fluids में डाल दिया है. Next we have is non-circulating fluids. Non-circulating fluids, these two are new for you. Aqueous humor, vitreous humor. ये तुम पढ़ोगे सेंस ऑर्गन में जब तुम आई का स्ट्रक्चर करोगे तब. But these fluids are always in eye. Do you understand? Your eye is like a ball, spherical ball, and that ball shape, eye spherical eye ball shape is due to the watery content inside. It's like a water balloon. समझ आया? तो ये यही रहता है. ये यहाँ से कहीं बाहर नहीं जाता. It's inside. If I talk about synovial fluid, ये तुमने किया हुआ है 9th standard में. These or any of the joints that you talk about, there is a little fluid that's present. उसको बोलते हैं synovial. वो उधर से बाहर कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. वो joint के कैप्सूल में ही रह रहा है. Okay. ये समझा? Circulating, non-circulating fluids. Easy, done. What is the next that you have after that? Properties of blood. ऊपर का पैराग्राफ क्या है? Open and closed circulatory system.
वो कोल्ड ब्लड एनिमल्स में ओपन होता है.
तू या तो पहले उसको या तो निकाल दे उसको.
पहले रहता है ओपन पैसेंजर सिस्टम क्यों बोलते हैं?
कोल्ड ब्लड एनिमल्स में होता है. वैसे
नहीं, listen. In an organism, if I talk about an organism can have either open or closed. Open का मतलब the body has a cavity. Sinus बोलते हैं cavity. उस cavity में अगर वो fluid flow हो रहा है, blood नहीं बोलेंगे, any fluid. If it is flowing, then we call it as open circulatory system. But if the blood is restricting the flow in tube-like structure, then it is called as closed circulatory system. हम में है closed circulatory. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा blood सिर्फ heart, artery, vein, capillary इसी में flow होता है. Now, please don't say if I cut your blood आएगा. क्योंकि वो कैपिलरी टूट गया ना. बट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड स्किन चैप्टर किया 9th स्टैंडर्ड में? तो एपिडर्मिस डज नॉट हैव द कैपिलरी, बट द डर्मिस हैज. सो इफ यू मेक अ वेरी सुपरफिशियल कट भी नहीं बोल सकते, अ लिटिल एब्रेशन यहाँ से जा रही मैं ऐसे हो गया है ना. सो माय स्किन विल जस्ट कम आउट अ लिटिल. बट थोड़ा सा ज्यादा अगर हो गया, सो इफ इट ऑल अ कैपिलरी रप्चर्स द ब्लड विल कम आउट. ओके, so we have a closed circulatory system. Doubt है? और अगर open का example देना, just write insect. You still want to write cockroach, you can write. If you want. So cockroach insect याद रखो. और developed beings में, human beings में हमारे पास closed circulatory system है, proper system है. See? Okay.
ये cockroach का जो blood होता है वो white होता है ना, red नहीं होता.
इसलिए blood नहीं बोलते, fluid बोलते हैं. Exactly, white.
तो मारते हैं.
हाँ आपने डाइसेक्ट किया.
ऐसा cockroach को तार
अरे मैं बायो लैब में उस दिन में गया था बायो प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करने. क्या साइट दिखा, इतने सारे डेड एनिमल्स पड़े हुए थे. 15-20
ऐसे cockroach मारेगा ना तो fluid नहीं कम.
15 नहीं लगा.
15-20 बोला.
Okay, let's say Enough. So we are done with circulating, non-circulating, open and closed vascular system. Okay. I see the gestures. Don't make me angry. I'm taking lectures since 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm really frustrated. Okay. This next up we have is properties of blood. मतलब थोड़ा characteristics. Okay, with very little test. The first one is blood is never stationary. You know what happens if it gets stationary. So हाजी
क्लॉट हो जाता है ना अगर ब्लड
अरे पूरा ब्लड स्टेशनरी हो गया तो क्लॉट क्या ओके सो यू विल राइट द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ब्लड इज नेवर स्टेशनरी सेकंड गिवन टू यूज दिस मैंने ये लिख दिया सेकंड इज कलर द कलर इज रेड हाउएवर तुम चुप रहोगे अगर तुमको पता है तो कलर इज रेड इट्स ब्राइट रेड और डीप रेड ब्राइट रेड व्हेन ऑक्सीजनेटेड deep red or dark red why deoxygenated you have seen this when the blood is extracted out of you
deoxygenated
it is collected from it
sorry
deep red क्योंकि तुम्हारे वेन से ब्लड लिया जाता है तुम्हारे आर्टरीज को रप्चर नहीं कर सकते नहीं तो स्पर्ट ऑफ ब्लड आएगा और तुम्हारे लॉस ऑफ ब्लड से
क्योंकि हाई प्रेशर में जाता है
सो वेन से जब कलेक्ट किया जाता है if you have ever seen the coloration of the blood it's really dark red but the moment when you cut some capillary या कुछ कर रहे थे और कैपिलरीज कट गई तुम्हारी तो जो ब्लड आता है ना वो एकदम ब्राइट रेड होता है ठीक है तो दो कलरेशन ऑफ ब्लड तुमको समझ में आना चाहिए इन डायग्राम्स इट इज ऑलवेज शोन एज रेड एंड ब्लू दैट इज फॉर डायग्रामेटिक पर्पस बट इट्स एक्चुअली रेड like bright red and deep red ये coloration होगा if it's relevant otherwise it can be yes tell me if it's not relevant you see what happens बोलो
मैम मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ कि when a person is alive तो उसे like अगर उसे तब काटता है तो blood flow होता है but अगर वो person dead है या उसे मार दिया कोई तो तब blood क्यों नहीं flow होता है
क्योंकि एक तो वो स्टेशनरी हो गया दूसरा क्लॉटिंग अंदर फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा तो अगर ब्लड निकलता भी है तो बहुत कम निकलेगा या फिर अंदर क्लॉटिंग हो जाएगी
आई थिंक क्योंकि हार्ट नहीं पंप कर रहा है
जब तुझे पता है तो तू
पूछ रहा था
हाँ करेक्ट इजी चलो हो गया मतलब you know stationary वाला thing next the volume of the blood is 5 to 6 liters okay 5 to 6 liters by volume adult we talking about average adult body 5 to 6 liters pH is 7.3 to 7.45 that makes it slightly alkaline 7 is being neutral so 7.3 to 7.45 slightly alkaline हो जाएगा taste is saltish we don't drink blood I'm sure everybody might have at least experienced a little of gumbly या gumbly नहीं हुआ है तो दांत वात टूट गया तो तुमको ऑलरेडी टेस्ट आएगा और या तो लगता है तो तुरंत ऐसे करते so my end of the discussion is this is saltish okay it is saltish due to two reasons it has sodium chloride sodium bicarbonate इसीलिए वो salty taste करेगा ही समझ आया उसके अंदर नमक को नहीं डालते उसके अंदर है okay next up ये होने के बाद you go on to that side wherein I have written the two functions of the blood the two broad category of functions of blood is transport and protection अब transport में मैंने तुमको nutrients का transport बताया everybody so it may be written as transport of digested food or digested nutrients so nutrients are basically the simplest compound simplest substance they will be absorbed by the blood and they will be circulated to the cells and tissues wherever it is required. Next, I am skipping what is written over there and I am going to excretory product. Did I tell you all that from the cells and tissue the excretory material is taken, nitrogenous waste, and it is dumped into the excretory organ which is the kidney for us. Next up, the hormones that are released by endocrine gland. Sarthak, give me an example for an endocrine gland. Be confident in your life. Pituitary, endocrine, pituitary, adrenal, pancreas, thyroid. Okay, इसके अलावा भी है ये याद रखो ये जब secretion release करते हैं that secretion is called as hormone that is secreted into the blood and blood will take it to the target organ, tissue or cell wherever it is needed. Done. This is important what I have written. तो मैंने बाकी सब लिखना जरूरी नहीं समझा. I have just elaborated oxygen and carbon dioxide that are called as respiratory gases. How is the diffusion taking place? You know something about RBC in the blood. RBC stands for red blood cells. Is water dripping from there. Shift your bench इधर थोड़ा सा. Okay? Manageable? Yeah, you want to come here and say? Okay. कहाँ गया? Respiratory gases में कौन आएगा? ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन. ऑक्सीजन हमको चाहिए, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नीचे तो बाहर जाएगा. Okay, but how is this happening? RBC तुम सबको पता है, इतना तो पता है. RBC is red blood cell in the blood that gives red coloration. अब this RBC is like little disc. On the RBC there is a surface protein. Surface protein का मतलब on the surface that protein resides. That protein is called as hemoglobin. And I'm sure you have seen this word in the reports, blood reports. Hemoglobin is called as oxygen carrier for a reason, that it carries oxygen and it takes to the cell.
Weak bonds बना.
Okay, अभी सुनो, वापस तुम बोल दिया आगे का? मैं 10 मिनट बिताऊँ, अब तो बैठ गई. Okay, so hemoglobin is denoted by HB, hemoglobin. Hemoglobin will take, जैसे तुम breathe in किए ना अभी, तो this air which is rich in oxygen, less in carbon dioxide will go to the lungs. Lungs में alveoli जो है वो surrounded a capillary. So from the alveoli to the capillary it will diffuse oxygen. उसको पकड़ता कौन है? This hemoglobin on the RBC. This hemoglobin will make a bond with oxygen and it's called as oxyhemoglobin. This is very weak bond. इसलिए वो ऑक्सीजन को लेगा और जाके वो सेल के पास इसको छोड़ेगा. अब सेल में जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, that कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड will be taken back. जब वो रिटर्न आ रहा है ना, खाली हाथ नहीं आएगा. हीमोग्लोबिन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ बॉन्ड बनाएगा और लेके आके उसको बाहर एक्सेल आउट करवाएगा. That bond is called as carbaminohemoglobin. One with oxygen, oxyhemoglobin. One with carbon dioxide, carbaminohemoglobin. These two bonds have to be weak. Otherwise वो ब्रेक नहीं कर पाएंगे ना. अब ये सेल है, मैं इसको दे नहीं पाऊंगी तो चिपका दिया तो. Okay, but if it is weaker, I'll be able to drop it. I'll be able to collect the carbon dioxide and drop it out. Weak bond affinity. Easy. तो ये हो गया. Distribution of body heat भी दिया हुआ है. Wherein I told you, if it is continuously circulating, you will see that the body heat is maintained throughout the body uniformly. That's 37 degrees Celsius. Easy. Okay. Next up, you have protection. Protection में 3 points दिया गया है तुमको. हाँ,
हाँ, एक मिनट.